All right, what's up, guys? So I got a week off of work and I stopped in at the Kentucky Welding Institute. Let's check out what they got going on. All right, first off, so here is the main shop. That's where all the booths are, and Ashley Applegate's office, the head instructor. And here is the classroom, big giant flagpole. Let's check out the classroom. All right, so right here we have the map of the United States. This is where all the students have been from. Over here is all the gear that you get when you join the Kentucky Welding Institute and go to school here. Okay, right here is the seats and the classroom. So each day you'll have about an hour of class with one of the instructors going over some welding theory, some pipe fitting, different things each day for 6 months. So it's just 1 hour a day. All right, then right here is the workhorse hood, and this means that if a student gets 30 days of work right after graduating within 3 months, then they get to be on the workhorse hood wall. All right, then over here is the 100K Club. This is all the people that have made 100K after their first year of graduating the Kentucky Welding Institute. And it's really cool that KWI does this because the first year after school is the most important year in your career, because it sets up the foundation for how your career is going to go, and also networking and learning from other people in the industry. So that first year you really want to get out there and work as much as you can to build that good foundation, and you can get on this wall. Okay, then in here is one of our administrators, Lindsay. She is super awesome and super helpful with getting integrated into the Kentucky Welding Institute and leaving and going to work. All right, so that is the classroom and offices. Let's check out the booths and some of the students working there. All right, I'm gonna put my glasses on to go in here. Ah. All right, this right here, this is how we see if your welds are any good. It's a bender. It'll bend the metal to see if the weld will break. And that's the Kentucky Welding Institute.